In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GST settings and add a new tax rate in Zoho Books. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to follow along as you set up Zoho Books for your business needs. Let's get started. First, you need to be logged into your Zoho Books account. If you haven't already, make sure you're on the dashboard. It's your control center for managing your finances within Zoho Books. Once you're on the dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the settings. Look for the settings icon on the dashboard. It's often represented by a gear symbol and is where you can customize and fine-tune different features of Zoho Books to suit your business operations. Now click on the settings icon. This will open up a menu with a variety of options that allow you to manage different elements of your account. From this menu, you'll want to select taxes. This is essentially where you'll handle all things tax-related, including sales tax settings and tax rates, which are crucial for keeping your business compliant with local tax regulations. Once you're in the taxes section, to move forward, click on tax rates. The tax rates page is integral for viewing existing tax settings and adding new ones when necessary. If you're planning on expanding your operations or changing your pricing, frequently checking and updating your tax rates can ensure that everything is in accordance with the latest regulations. To add a new tax rate, look for an option labeled New Tax. Clicking on New Tax will take you to the interface where you can specify the details of any new tax rate you're setting up. This is vital for scenarios where you're dealing with new products, services, or changes in tax legislation. At this stage, type the name of the tax. You'll want to give it an easily identifiable name that helps you remember its purpose, such as GST, VAT, or any internal code your business might use. Naming conventions should be consistent across your accounting software for easy reference and reporting later on. Next, you need to input the rate. This is usually a percentage and could be specific to a certain product type or service offering. Be careful here. Entering the correct rate ensures compliance and correct billing. Following this, select the tax authority responsible for the tax you're setting. Whether it's a local, state, or national authority, ensure you choose the right one. This step is crucial as it determines to whom the tax is accountable and ensures you're following the correct taxation guidelines. After you've filled in all these details, simply click on Save. It's always good practice to double-check all the information before saving to avoid any future discrepancies in your accounting records. Once saved, your new tax rate will be set up and ready to be applied to your transactions in Zoho Books. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled GST settings and added a new tax rate in Zoho Books. Remember, correctly managing taxes in your accounting software goes a long way in maintaining compliance and ensuring streamlined financial operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.